Decorating your home is an opportunity to express your personality while creating a space that feels comfortable and inviting. The right decorations play a significant role in setting the ambiance of a room. Start by considering the theme and style you wish to achieve. A consistent theme creates harmony, whether it's a minimalist approach, rustic charm, or elegant sophistication. Envision how you want each room to feel and flow into one another. This vision will guide your decorating journey. Lighting is one of the most critical elements when decorating. It can transform a space from dull to delightful. Layer your lighting with a mix of ambient, task, and accent lights. Use warm light bulbs to create a cozy atmosphere, and consider adding dimmers for adjustable brightness. Statement light fixtures can act as eye-catching focal points. Don't forget natural light. Allowing sunlight in through thoughtful window treatments can invigorate a room, making it feel more spacious and connected to the outdoors. Furniture selection is also fundamental in home decorating. Choose pieces that not only reflect your style, but also fit the dimensions of your space. Scale matters. If you have a small room, opt for smaller furniture to avoid a cramped feeling. Mixing textures and materials adds depth to your decor. A plush velvet couch paired with wooden accents, such as a rustic coffee table, or metal frame chairs creates a dynamic contrast that captures attention. Consider multifunctional furniture, like an ottoman that doubles as storage, for practical purposes. Incorporating color into your space can evoke various feelings. Create a color palette around a few coordinating shades. Cool colors such as blues and greens tend to promote calmness, while warm hues like reds and yellows can energize a space. Use wallpaper, paint, or decorative accents to introduce your chosen colors. But remember, subtlety can be powerful. A pop of color through accessories or an accent wall can make a significant impact without overwhelming the charm of the room. Lastly, personal touches breathe life into your decor. Incorporate artwork, photographs, or souvenirs that tell your story. Plants are another wonderful addition, bringing nature inside and enhancing the home's air quality. A well-decorated home is not just about aesthetics. It's about creating an atmosphere where you love to spend time. Take your time to curate a space that is distinctly yours, reflecting both style and comfort.